Hi, Doug Jones here at Mortgage Magic, talking about reverse mortgages. And I'm going to talk about the procedure of a reverse mortgage, and I'm going to talk about the things I don't like about them right now. And what I don't like really is about the paperwork and the time it takes. But I'll get into that in just a second. The procedure is people call me or email me or somehow they reach me and they want a proposal. And I get them a proposal, and in that proposal it's about 80 some pages. It has everything from HUD, plus it has about 10, 12 pages of numbers. That's a proposal. They look at that proposal. If they like that, they want to continue, then I reach out to them, they reach out to me, and I collect documents. I collect taxes, I collect bank statements, I collect income, proof of income, I collect all kinds of documents. And then in that proposal, originally that proposal is one of the things called the counseling certificate. And there's an information page, how to reach a counselor, who to reach, where to reach out to them, and then the customer has to get that counseling certificate before I can really start the loan. Now I can collect things here and make sure I've got everything in line to do it as fast as I can, but I can't order the credit report and I can't do the appraisal until I get this done, okay? Now as soon as I get that, then we get the disclosures from the bank. I send everything in, I send all the documents in, we've got the credit report, I can get the appraisal during this process, but we get the disclosures. Now, this is where I start having problems with the loan. And I'm having problems with my current lenders right now because they're all so slow. These are papers I will take to a customer in the next day, and they will need to sign 67 signatures each. That is a lot of signatures, and so much of this, I know it's law, and I know there's nothing to do about it because that's what HUD wants, that's what the government wants, that's what the lenders want. But you know, there are so many repetitive, ridiculous things to sign. So all I'm telling you is, if you're going to take one of these loans, realize it's not the loan officer all the time that's making you do this. That's the way the system works, okay? And then after you sign this, we send this back in. These are the disclosures. We send the documents in with that. We send the counseling certificate. We send the appraisal. We send everything. And now you're ready to sign. And again, a notary will come to your home. You will sign the papers, and that will take about an hour. This here was going to take much more than an hour because I'm going to sit in front of the customers and explain everything here. We can do this DocuSign, but I find out most of my customers like me to sit and talk to them and tell them what they're signing each page as we go. So right now, I'm not happy with how many pages we have to sign. They have to sign, and it's always been that way. It's just not something that I understand. And then the second thing is that the process from here to here can take from 45 to 60 days. That's where I really have difficulty. But then again, those are my problems. You know, I like reverse mortgages. I've always talked about how I like them and how they help people. And I've always talked about the joys and the happiness of it. But there is, to me, a downside. The downside is tons and tons and tons of paperwork, tons and tons and tons of signatures, and tons and tons and tons of time. So, hope I didn't scare you off from a reverse mortgage forever, but it's probably good that you know that going into it. I'm Doug Jones. You ever want to call me and complain with me? There's my phone number. I'm with Mortgage Magic. Thanks.